Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So, in this video today, we'll see in Moodle 4.4 how you can get that the theme usage report. That means which user or which cohort is using which theme. So, in case of Moodle, you'll have the ability you can allow the user based theme. Okay, and it is not from the Moodle 4.4. As I can see in Moodle 4.3 it is also there. Okay, so user based theme. So let me allow here user based theme in Moodle 4.4 first, then I will try accessing the different theme from different user, and we will see the reports, the theme report. Yes, so I am allowing from here. Okay, so what it says, so if you enable this, then users will be allowed to set their own theme. Your theme override the themes but not the course theme. Okay, so user themes override side themes but not the course theme. So whatever the admin or the teacher will decide for a course theme, that will not be override by the user theme. Okay, so let me try login with user. Yeah, so I am here. I'm again with the admin, and on the listing page, user listing, browse list of user. I have two users, so let me try editing this one. Yes, is there any settings here? Let me check on that part. Yes, so the moment you enable this allow user themes, you will have the admin will have the ability to uh, by default it will be selected, but admin will have the ability, or the any user with the role of create user capability or update user capability will have the capability. They can set this for that particular user. Okay, so let me try setting this classic theme for this particular test 01 user. Okay, so I just save this one. Now let me try log out from here admin and try login with this test one. Yes, so I am trying login with this test 01 user, and let's see the theme should be changed, because I have as an admin have selected classic theme for this user. Okay, so once you set this, that option will appear, and this is not the part of Moodle 4.4 release. It was also in Moodle 4.3. So admin will have the ability to allow user this theme. Okay, so it is taking more time here, not sure why it is, but yes. So I have changed this. For this particular reason, I have changed the theme to classic one. Yes, now you can see the classic look is coming for this particular user. Now if I come here under profile page, let me come here the preferences and see is there any setting for theme. If I edit my profile, again I can see here as an end user, I can see I have the ability to set my preferred theme. Okay, so from edit profile, you will any user will have the ability to set their own theme. Now editor preferences, let's see. So editor preferences, this is not the theme one. Okay, the preferences, no other preferences here. Okay, so this is how you the admin will override the theme for any particular user, and now the user will have ability itself, they can choose their own theme. Now coming to the what is what have been introduced in Moodle 4.3. So in Moodle 4.3, there is a reports on the report section, that is theme usage report, and this one is a newly introduced in Moodle 4.3. It was not already there. Let's see. So this setup is my Moodle 4.3. Let's see whether reports, this particular report is coming under reports or not. No. If I see here the theme usage report, I don't see anything like this. So after system reports, it is directly accessibility here. So not this theme usage report. Now if I come here on the theme usage report, if I select the boost one, let's see. Yes, usage type 0, theme force boost, and if I pick here the classic one, I can see one user is currently using the classic one. Okay, so I as an admin here using my default theme, let me try changing this to boost one, then it will also show here. Okay, so if I click, I can see one user in the classic, and in the boost one user also I can see, because I just changed as an admin my my preferred theme, I just changed. Okay, so this is how you will have, the admin will have the ability to access this theme users report. Got it? So this is not just the user only, the course wise report you can also see here. Okay, the course wise report can, sorry, course wise theme report you can also see, the cohort wise you can also see here, and the same for the category wise. Okay, so let's see one by one how you can set the theme on a particular category. Let's see. If I come here under manage category, I can see one category here. If I edit, there is no option for the theme under category. Let me try searching if there is any way how to cohort category theme. Okay, yes. So under category, I don't see any settings saying you will have the ability to select the theme. I don't see here as of now. Now, when I check this one and save, I will have the ability here on this page now. Okay, so first theme you can see by default it is coming. It just added this one. So the moment you enable this, here it will be added. Let's see the boost one. Okay, so now you can go back to the theme report, theme usage report, and you can search here for a course, sorry, not course, boost category. Yes, I can see this category using course count is a 1 and using the boost theme. Now the same way you will have to enable the course theme. Okay, so you can do this one at your end, but in case you want, let me try adding that for you. The course theme, you can search here the course theme, allow user theme, allow course theme. It is not selected by default here. I will have to select this. Okay, you can also see the message here. If enable, the course will be allowed to set their own theme. Course theme override all the themes like the site, user, category, cohort, URL, everything. Okay, so the course user override, course user Course theme will override all the theme choices. Okay, so now the course theme, on the course setting page you will have the ability to select a course theme. Let me come here under edit. I can search here for a theme, course format, course layout, theme. Okay, course theme you can see under appearances. Okay, same way we can enable the cohort base theme. Okay, cohort theme. So if you search this one, you'll find something, allow cohort theme. Yes, allow this one. So this is how you will be able to allow theme on every level. Like on the course level I have allowed now, on the category level I have allowed, user level I have allowed, and cohort level I have also allowed. Okay, so if you go back on the report page, theme uses, so once you will have data you will have the all kinds of report. Okay, so you can see the theme report based on user, course, cohort, category uses. Okay, so this theme user report has been newly introduced in Moodle 4.4. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.